Today, we are excited to release an update to Divi AI, allowing you to generate individual sections of a much wider variety filled with well-written content and images automatically using the power of AI. Recently, we've launched some amazing AI features, including AI layout generation and AI website generation. Now, we're letting you get more precise with generating individual sections using more specific prompts, while greatly improving Divi AI's ability to generate a wide range of layouts. Here's how it works. I generated this About page using Divi AI. It's off to a great start and includes a company history section and a profile of our team members, but it doesn't mention our services, which seems like a missed lead generating opportunity. I'll add a new section towards the bottom above the call to action and tell Divi AI to create a new section that outlines our company's services. Divi AI gets to work, and within a few seconds, it creates the section I was looking for. Since I already generated a layout and confirmed my design preferences, each section I add will match this layout and the rest of my website. Building a new page from scratch using Divi's AI section generator is a great way to work if you already have a rough idea of your page's structure. In this example, I'm building a homepage for an interior designer. I start by asking it to generate a hero section, followed by an overview of the company's services, a portfolio of their work, some testimonials, and finally, a call to action to get in touch and request a quote. In minutes, I have the whole page laid out exactly as I envisioned. What's more, Divi AI is now much better at generating a wide variety of sections, not only in the context of section generation, but also when generating layouts and websites. You'll notice that Divi AI is improving and creating layouts that better match your prompts. We are also excited to announce that we added a new option to fill AI-generated websites, layouts, and sections with beautiful stock photos from Unsplash. You can choose to generate images with AI or have Divi AI pick real photos to pair with its written content. Using stock photos also significantly speeds up layout generation time. Divi AI can generate an entire layout in just a few seconds. Using AI to generate its own images offers the advantage of unlimited possibilities and uniqueness. However, using stock photos is much faster and the results are more reliable. You can choose either option. Everyone can try Divi AI for free to generate up to 20 sections. To unlock unlimited section generation, as well as unlimited text, image, code, layout, and website generation for you and your team, you can purchase a Divi AI membership by heading to elegantthemes.com/AI. If you're new to Divi, you can get a significant discount on Divi AI when you buy the Divi Pro bundle. If you are already a Divi customer, you can get the same great discount by logging into your account and visiting the offers page. Stay tuned for more Divi features coming soon, and don't forget to follow and subscribe so you never miss a feature update. The YouTube channel is our primary avenue for feature announcements, and it's a great way to get up to speed before you update your websites. That's all for this update. I'll see you in the next one.